Alright traders, you are welcome to another episode of How to Trade on Chart Empire Trading Institute. In this tutorial today, I am going to walk you through on how you can transfer your coins, your digital wallet from one crypto exchange trading platform to another. This is a simple step for beginners trader, the A to Z of how you can move your coins from one crypto exchange trading platform to another crypto exchange trading platform. So in this tutorial, we are going to make use of the ByBit crypto exchange trading platform and the Binance crypto exchange trading platform. Yet to have an account on ByBit or Binance, check the links in the description of this video. Also, if you use the link in the description of this video, you have the opportunity to take a bonus offer on your first deposit. Thank you. Now, this is the ByBit crypto exchange trading platform. We are going to move some coins right here. In the last tutorial, I showed you how I purchased a $60 worth of Theta stablecoin on the ByBit crypto exchange trading platform. So now let's move this coin, stablecoin, from the ByBit to Binance crypto exchange trading platform. If you missed the P2P system on how you can buy coins on P2P on ByBit, please refer to the description of this video to watch that tutorial. Alright, with that being said, let's dive straight into this tutorial. So now we already have some funds, coins deposited in our trading account. So what we are going to do right now is to go to asset. On the asset, we click on withdraw. To click on asset, you already have to log in into your ByBit account. So move your cursor and click on asset. Once you click on asset, move your cursor and click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, click on withdraw. Right? Once you click on withdraw, the next page will present you with the option to make withdraw. But wait, sometimes you might not have your funds or your coins in your funds account. Before we do that, there's something I want to show you. Move your cursor to assets. Right there, you can see we have funding account and unified trading account. This is one of the mistakes some traders or beginners make when about to make withdrawal from their crypto exchange trading platform. They failed to transfer their funds from their unified trading account to their funding account. If your money or your coin is in your unified trading account, you won't be able to move this money out, because in unified trading account, your funds are freeze, because this account or wallet is primarily for trading. So it's a money or a coin you want to use to trade on ByBit. So before you can withdraw it, you have to transfer that fund from your unified trading account to your funding account. So let's see how we can transfer. To transfer is so simple. All you just have to do is click on any of the wallet or the account right there, either it's funding account or unified trading account. Remember, you can only withdraw from funding account. So let's say, for example, you have your coins in your unified trading account. Just click on unified trading account. Once you click that, on the next page, we are going to see some information on the newly opened page. So let's patiently wait to see what we're going to have right here. Right, now we'll just clear all this off. Now you can see right there, you have some coin on this account. So let's say, for instance, you want to move your coin from your unified to your funding account. You just have to go to transfer, click on transfer. Let me do that again. I'm too fast. Move your cursor and to the right hand side and click on transfer. That is all. And if you would like to convert, move your cursor to the right hand side and click on convert. If you would like to make a deposit, move your cursor to the right hand side and click on deposit. But let's just go through the transfer, right, to keep this video to be short. If you are interested in the conversion on ByBit platform or how to do conversion of coins from one coin to another, or how to make a deposit, please, you can put a comment down on this video. Right now, let's say, for instance, we want to make transfer. We click on transfer and then you select from the account you want to transfer to. Right now, we want to transfer from our unified trading account. So from unified to where? To our funding account. So let's say, for instance, I have some funds on this unified trading account. We are going to see this fund right here. So to transfer this fund, you click on all and then you can transfer this unified trading account to this funding account. But I am not interested to transfer this fund from this trader's account. So this is just how you can transfer from unified to your trading. So when you do that, once you do that, the fund will be moved from your unified trading account to your funding account. So that is how you confirm that is all. But I'm not going to do that in this tutorial, but this is how you can do that, right? Now, let's get back to our assets and click on withdraw. We want to make withdrawal in this tutorial. So once you click on withdraw right here, we believe your funds have been moved to your funding account. Now, you have to select the coin you want to withdraw. Are you withdrawing BTC or Tether or Ethereum? Select the coin. In this tutorial, we have Tether in our funding account. So because we purchase from the P2P system, automatically the payment or the coin will be deposited into our funding account. So let's look out for Tether. You can see that right here. We have Tether right here and the wallet address. Now, some of you might have been seeing on-chain withdrawal and internal transfer. Let's say, for example, you want to transfer your coins with your friends or family or with someone who also use ByBit. So that is internal transfer because it's a transfer between the ByBit ecosystem or ByBit community or ByBit crypto exchange trading platform. But this time around, remember, we want to move our coins from ByBit to another crypto exchange trading platform. So it's an on-chain withdrawal system. ByBit is different from Binance, so it's an on-chain withdrawal system. So now, once you click on that on-chain withdrawal, the next thing is to put your wallet address. Your wallet address is just like when you try to send money to your girlfriend, your boyfriend, and you ask for your girlfriend or your boyfriend's bank account details. So that's what the wallet address is all about. So now we have to go to Binance and look out for wallet address. Now let's go to the Binance crypto exchange trading platform. Now, once you get to the home of Binance, this is what you're going to see on the home of Binance. Now you move your cursor the way you click on deposit. Deposit. Once you click on deposit, you'll see options on Binance, which is buy with USD. You can buy with bank transfer card. P2P, but I think P2P has been closed for Nigerians, right? Deposit a crypto. Yes, we want to deposit a crypto. So you have to deposit a crypto, especially if the P2P has been banned in your country on Binance crypto exchange trading platform. So for Nigerians, P2P has been banned, but you can still fund your Binance account through the deposit crypto by moving coins crypto from another crypto exchange trading platform or from your wallet to your Binance account. Right now, click on deposit crypto. Once you click on that, you want to make a deposit, then Binance will present you with some information on the deposit page. Now, this is the information you have to send to your ByBit account. Now, which coin do you want to deposit to Binance? We want to deposit USDT from ByBit. Click on USDT. Once you click on USDT, then you click on the network you prefer to use. Most of the time, it is good to use the TRC20. That is fast. We have the Ethereum ERC20 6 confirmation, but I prefer the TRS Tron network. It's one confirmation and it's faster, unlike the Ethereum, which is 2 minutes, right? So we click on TRC20. That is the network, right? TRC20. And the TRC20 address will start with TW. But if you are using the ERC20, that is the Ethereum network, it will start with OX. So you have to be very careful. Whenever you see OX, that is Ethereum network. And whenever you see TW, that is Tron network, right? That is TW. So we have to make sure you use TRC on Binance and the same TRC on ByBit. Don't use TRC on Binance and use anything else on ByBit. You could lose your funds, right? Now, TRC20 network. Now, you copy, you don't type. Copy, don't type, please. Now, once you copy right here, you copy, then you navigate back to your ByBit account. And then you paste the address right here. Once you paste the address right here, automatically the address will be verified. And then you click on chain type. We are using TRC20. Don't forget TRC20. Don't choose ERC20. TRC20 Tron network. Now, we want to make withdrawal of all our coins right here. Click on all. Once you click on all, everything will be added. Automatically, our transaction fee will be removed from the coin we would like to make withdrawal. Should in case you want this $60 to be deposited directly without any remover, that means your remover from the $60, maybe you want to pay your transaction fee separately, then you have to make sure you have more than the amount you want to withdraw, right? You have to make provision, additional provision for the transaction fee, right? Now, once you click on confirm, we are going to get $58.42 in our Binance account. Let's do that, but we still have to confirm this for security reasons. Now, once you do that, click on verification, submit. Now we are going to wait for my student to send us our verification code, because I have to use a student's account for this tutorial, right? Let's wait. I'm gonna shut her up to send me the verification code. All right, verified. Now we confirm. Once we confirm, the transaction has gone. That is all. You can see that. So this is how you make withdrawal from one crypto exchange trading platform to another crypto exchange trading platform. Now what we need to do now is to go to Binance and see if the fund has been deposited. On funding, yes, funding, you can only make withdrawal from your funding account, right? If you have your money on different accounts, you have to transfer it to funding. So to transfer, it's very easy on Binance. Once you click on funding, you go to transfer right here. You click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, you can move your fiat or spot to funding account. So on the Binance account, we have different accounts. We have Coin M futures, options, USD M futures. You have to move your funds in those accounts or any of the accounts to funding. You can only make withdrawal from your funding. So once you do that, then you click on withdraw right here. Once you click on withdraw, you have to input select the network, use the coin. Let's say USDT. Click on USDT. This seller has $2 in our USDT account. So you have USDT, then the address and the Binance user. You know, on the ByBit we have internal transfer, but on Binance we have Binance user, right? So you click on Binance if you want to send to another Binance user. But if you are transferring from Binance to another crypto exchange trading platform or to wallet, just click on address and then you paste that address right here. Let's place that same address right here. You can see right here. Just to test it out, select the network TRC20 and then you click the amount, mass, and then you click on the withdraw right here and you click on withdraw. That is all. Remember, this is the Binance wallet, so you can't send money to yourself. It's just like you are trying to transfer to yourself with the same bank account and you want to transfer to the same bank account. It's not possible, right? You have to use a different wallet address, right? So maybe a wallet address you generate from ByBit. So let's say, for instance, this address is generated or was being generated from ByBit. We can use this address and then click on withdraw. And once we withdraw, this fund will be sent to our ByBit account. So that is all. Now, let's just check our wallet to see if the funds have been deposited. Right. Good. Now, the funds have been released into the account. Now, to check your funds on the Binance crypto exchange trading platform, you move your cursor the way to this icon right here and you click on overview. Then we're going to see the money. So this is the money right here. The money came in. This is the details right here. You can click on it to see more details about it. That is it. So this is how you transfer your funds from the ByBit to the Binance crypto exchange trading platform. There's a way you can check out previous transaction. So let's check out previous transaction. You click on deposit and deposit crypto. You check out previous transaction. So let's check out previous transactions on this account. Let's see how the money came in from ByBit. Right? This is very, very simple. You can see right now, you can see $58.42 from Binance. This was the address, everything. You can see that. So in our spot wallet account. That is it. So thank you guys. This is how you move your funds from ByBit to Binance. Very simple. Take your time to watch this video, right? Watch over and over again. And should in case you have any difficulty or any challenge, just let me know by typing the comments support help and I'll be right there to help you out, right? Please don't share your password, your login with anybody. These are my students. They trust me, and after this tutorial, I'm going to instruct them to change their password. Of course, they have authentication code and their email attached, but they still have to change their password, for future references, right? So don't share your password with anybody, right? So I will see you in the next one. For more tutorials on how to trade forex, crypto, stocks, commodity, spot, futures trading, right? Subscribe, like, share, and put a comment down, right? You can also suggest any topic you would want us to treat in the next video. For those of you who are interested in mentorship and trading signals, use the link in the description of this video to join my mentorship program and trading signals community. I will see you in the next one. Peace.